out here in Fontana plot. It's kind of my only plot now. Just kind of finishing up the day. It was a good day. We got a lot of stuff done, man. Today I want to talk to you guys basically more about just your mental health in terms of taking time off. No matter what type of entrepreneur that you might be, whether you're doing something like a market garden center like what I'm doing, you got one that's way bigger, you got one that's even smaller. Well, I don't know if you can get much smaller than this. You're a dance teacher, whatever. This is now it's like my 12th year of being self-employed. And I gotta tell you, man, it's like a steady grind. But it's a grind that I like because that's just what I'm built for. Other people may not be built for that type of life, and that's cool. But that's kind of what makes me go. So I like kind of doing things on my own accord. Taking time off or even having just a schedule. Like right now, it's right about, I think it's 1 o'clock right now. I normally get done pretty close to 3, so I give myself an 8-hour work schedule a day. I work Tuesday through Sunday. Very shortly, I'm going to be trying to add a couple extra days in there for me to actually have some time off, just for myself, to hang with the fam, whatever it is that I want to do. But having time off in places away from this place right here. It's not that I don't love it, it's that I love it so much that I need to get away from it every once in a while. You understand what I'm saying? Having time off is just a crucial component to being able to run a business effectively and efficiently. At the very beginning, it was hard, you know what I mean? And it still is hard for me to take time off. That's why my days off, I normally go away. Because if I stay here, I know I'm gonna start working. Yo, I got a massage last week, fam. Shit was delicious. I'm gonna go back to doing that. That was something I used to do like once a month. I think I'm gonna revisit that. That was a nice one. Went to go see the Poppies not too long ago as well with some of my good friends. Wow. Been able to go and hang out with my kids when they want to hang. It's been cool, man. Yeah. I thought that I had to keep on working because I thought that's what everybody did if they were successful. Then I came later on to start to define my own definition of success, which is being able to do what it is that I love. Therefore, I need to be able to do what it takes for me to continue to love it. Therefore, me getting off and away from here or just shutting it down is a very important part in order for me to do that. I often find that after I've kind of chilled for a bit outside of here, a lot more of my visions are a lot more vivid. I'm a lot more clear. I can see things a lot better than if I'm just staying here, constantly thinking about this, looking at what needs to be done, blah, blah, blah. It also gives me time, especially having a schedule, to actually be able to put things into perspective on like a daily basis. Wind. Try to get you guys a little bit deeper in the canopy. Actually having a schedule allows me to schedule things in so that I'm not constantly just trying to get everything done in one day. Even though this is a small little plot, man, I mean, I can not stop working if I wanted to, right? I think that's kind of how it just goes when you're starting your own business in general. I think that you can just keep on going and going and going, and it just doesn't stop, especially at the beginning. Eventually, however, I feel as though if I want longevity in this, that I need to be able to take a step back every once in a while. Don't get me wrong, there's weeks where we just go hard, hard, hard. In fact, I'm just coming off one of those right now. And that's why I think I'm able to actually have this conversation with you guys right now, because going into it this time around, it was very planned. It was like, all right, this is what I'm gonna do. And this is about the time I'm gonna end. Having an ending time, mad crucial. I knew that it was gonna come to an end, so I wasn't constantly just keeping my head down and going. That's good, like I said, for me, it's good to be controlled. So, yeah, it really helped me out a lot. I got a lot of really cool stuff done. Nevertheless, we're back to me trying to get back to an 8-hour workday. And then, like I said, try to shrink my work week down a little bit more as well. Just a little food for thought. If you are thinking about struggling with either employing somebody or cutting something out of your system that may not be doing or generating what you thought it should or thought it would be doing by now, maybe cutting that. You know, maybe hopefully this video helps you out a little bit to let you know that it is okay. You will keep on succeeding in what it is that you want to do. Yeah, I mean, that doesn't necessarily mean that there won't be struggle and there won't be hard days. It just simply means that I am doing what I want to do. This is my choice. This is my decision. So we're going in at it. You know what I'm saying? Anyhow, I'm just out here right now knocking out the last little pieces. Had that thought, wanted to talk to you guys about it a little bit more. I feel like that's something that we really don't talk a lot about, especially in this farm space or the market gardening space, or just any space at all, man. You gotta take care of yourself so that you can keep on pushing through the next day. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm just engaged. This is Xanxadu, y'all. Peace.